La Pyllait Paidbah ya Ayushman Bharat School Health and Wellness Program East KHASI henne kasngi ha ususu tham auditorium. Habakran mikilat patai kubor ka Additional District Medical and Health Officer East KHASI Dr. E.G. Tariang Pajat ila ang baki school kidan ya daw ka bakraw ban yarab I khna ban gentiu ya ka kot ka khia Xi Jinping. Ila ang bakatan ka kot ka khia ka kentiu ya ka kot ka khia ha ki school ha ka baki principal jing school ba per kila jet way uno hikai sendrang bat kawai kan hikai kan take nang bakin la ban ai ki jingi selok na kabenta ki khna school ha kaju kapor ka district school education officer ikong M Lengwa ilang bakane ka program ka bu thong na kabenta ki samla lot da ka jing pai khmat halor ka jing mut jing perkhat ka met ka phat bat ka jing long mensim ka babha ila pentip ru bagi principal bat ki headmaster na palat sispa arp south ligi secondary bat higher secondary school kilawan bane sementa ha kane ka program
Dia kani program kadai kaba kumangala ong mene kadai kaba la yale lang la trai lang bat ka district medical health office bat kumju ru bat ka education department bat kani ka program ka target kadai nak benta ini ki kenda school ki badai ha ka adolescent age group namar menta ka focus kalong ha ka overall well being jongki ya ka physical well being ka emotional well being
we know that schools play a critical role in helping students to establish a lifelong healthy behavior. So recognizing this, so we promote a school-based health promotion. So the objective of this program is to provide age-appropriate information on health and nutrition, to promote healthy behavior, to promote use of safe drinking water, and to promote safe menstrual hygiene and physical activity, yoga and meditation.